Hello students, welcome back to our channel KCYC. In this video, we will be discussing on the deleted portion of your 9th standard for the year 2020-2021. So let's start with क्या आपका portion delete किया हुआ है. So everybody can take your first we'll go with algebra and then we'll go with geometry. तो इस वीडियो में we'll do with algebra and we'll do with geometry. तो we'll start with algebra. So we start with algebra. The first chapter in algebra is sets. So what I'll do over here is जब मैं बात कर रहा हूँ तो the page numbers जो बोलूँगा that will be on the screen. तो you'll get exactly an idea कि क्या क्या आपको कट कर रहा है. तो we start with your page number 6. If you check on your page number 6, मेरे टेक्स्ट बुक्स में जो टेक्स्ट बुक का पेजेस है उधर you can see that is cross markings are there. So that is to be deleted from your text book. तो पेज नंबर 6 पे एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 एंड एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4. देन यू गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 7. इफ यू गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 7 सबसे ऊपर देखो फोर्थ में यू गॉट ओवर दैट इज फोर्थ में देयर आर टोटली हाउ मेनी 7 क्वेश्चंस. सो उसमें का थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ एंड सेवंथ ये सब डिलीट किया हुआ है. देन गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 8. इफ यू गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 8 यू कैन सी वहाँ पे एक्टिविटी है. That activity is cancelled. Then वहाँ पे दो एग्जाम्पल्स है, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 एंड एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 विच आर सॉल्व. बेसिकली आपको सबसेट पार्ट नहीं है तो दैट एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 एंड एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 इज डिलीटेड. दैट वाज फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 8. देन इफ यू चेक विथ योर पेज नंबर 9. पेज नंबर 9 में अगेन यू कैन सी एन एक्टिविटी ओवर देयर. वो एक्टिविटी अगेन डिलीट किया हुआ है. देन लेट्स डिस्कस करके एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व है दैट इज डिलीटेड. Then go with your page number 11. Page number 11 में if you check there is an exercise problem practice set 1.3. तो problem जो practice set 1.3 है उसमें का the last 6th and the 7th sum, that is the 6th and the 7th sum is deleted. Then you go with your page number 12. If you go with your page number 12 तो check over there with page number 12 सबसे नीचे at the bottom you can see an activity 1 over there. तो ये activity 1 is deleted from page number 12. Page number 13. If you go with page number 13 सबसे ऊपर देखो बच्चा लोग if you check activity number 2 is there. तो ये activity number 2 is deleted. मतलब तो second part में आपका Venn diagram is deleted from your syllabus. So that was with your page number 13. Go with your page number 15. पेज नंबर 15 में दैट एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व है. दैट सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल इज देयर बट उसका फर्स्ट मेथड इज देयर. द सेकंड मेथड जो वेन डायग्राम से उन्होंने सॉल्व किया है वो सेकंड मेथड इज डिलीटेड. दैट इज फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 15. इफ यू गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 16 सेम वेन डायग्राम वाला सब एग्जाम्पल्स कैंसल्ड. दैट इज योर थर्ड एग्जाम्पल इज कैंसल्ड एंड योर फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल इज कैंसल्ड फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 16. चेक विथ योर पेज नंबर 17. पेज नंबर 17 में द सिक्स्थ एग्जाम्पल इज कैंसल्ड. पेज नंबर 18 में चेक पेज नंबर 18 सबसे ऊपर देखो द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल इज कैंसल्ड एंड 9th इज कैंसल्ड, 10th इज कैंसल्ड एंड योर एक्टिविटी इज कैंसल्ड. सो दिस वाज फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट चैप्टर. नाउ विल गो विथ योर सेकंड चैप्टर दैट इज रियल नंबर्स. इफ यू गो विथ योर सेकंड चैप्टर रियल नंबर्स डायरेक्टली पेज नंबर 21 निकालो. पेज नंबर 21 में प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.1 है. उसका फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड में देर आर ऑल टुगेदर 5 सम्स है. तो फर्स्ट का भी फोर्थ फिफ्थ कैंसिल, सेकंड का भी फोर्थ फिफ्थ कैंसिल एंड थर्ड का भी फोर्थ एंड द फिफ्थ सम इज कैंसिल्ड. सो फोर्थ फिफ्थ तीनों का फोर्थ एंड द फिफ्थ इज कैंसिल्ड. गो विथ पेज नंबर 23. पेज नंबर 23 में इफ यू चेक देयर इज एन एक्टिविटी 1 ओवर देयर जो बॉक्स में लिखा हुआ है दैट इज नंबर 5. दैट एक्टिविटी इज कैंसिल्ड. दैट वाज फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 23. उसके बाद डायरेक्टली गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 34. इफ यू गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 34 में ऑन पेज नंबर 34 चेक करो दो एक्टिविटीज़ है. एक्टिविटी 1 है, एक्टिविटी 2 है. बोथ एक्टिविटी 1 एंड एक्टिविटी 2 इज कैंसल्ड. गो ऑन पेज नंबर 35. पेज नंबर 35 में 7th क्वेश्चन देखो 7th 8th. 7th क्वेश्चन में द फोर्थ एंड द फिफ्थ इज कैंसल्ड. 8th क्वेश्चन में भी the fourth and the fifth is cancelled. So this is what is cancelled from your chapter number 2. We'll go with a chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 में 42 पेज निकालो. 42 पेज में देखोगे वहाँ पे देयर इज अ सेकंड मेथड विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ लीनियर मेथड ऑफ डिवीजन. So that linear method of division नहीं है आपको. The method 2 is cancelled. That is with page number 42. Page number 43 में सबसे last example जो sixth example है, that sixth example is cancelled. If we check on page number 44 में activity है एक, that activity is cancelled. Page number 45, if we check on page number 45, then again there is a linear method है जो 45 में जो सबसे नीचे है, that is cancelled. Go with the page number 46, again the same. 46 में भी you can check linear method है, that linear method is cancelled. Page number 46 में exercise 3.3 में if I read it is this way: divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method and also by linear division method. तो आपको by linear division method नहीं करना है, तो you will be having only by synthetic method division. So वो exercise में the fifth and the sixth examples are cancelled. So 46 में the fifth and the sixth examples are cancelled. Now go with your page number 52. If you go with your page number 52 में there is an activity over there. That activity is cancelled. Page number 53 में if you check there is exercise 3.5. So 3.5 में 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th. That is last का चारों questions are cancelled. That is from your page number 53. Go with your page number 55. 55 में सबसे ऊपर देखो factorize the following polynomial में 7 sums है, उसमें का यह 5th, 6th and the 7th one is cancelled. Go with page number 56. Page number 56 में if you check last 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all your last 5 sums are cancelled. So this is with your chapter number 3. Then we go with your chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 में directly go with your page number 61. If you go with your page number 61 में there is exercise 4.1. तो 4.1 exercise second में 5th and the 6th is cancelled. Then your 7th and the 8th example is cancelled in page number 61. Then we go with your page number 61. Oh, that is what is cancelled. You go with your page number after that 64. With page number 64 exercise में जितना कुछ है everything is cancelled. If you see on the upper part, the third sum, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, everything is cancelled from page number 64. Then you go directly with page number 70. If we check with page number 70 बच्चा लोग, तो that is an activity, ऊपर वाला activity और नीचे वाला activity दोनों भी cancelled है. That is from page number 70. Go with page number 74. Page number 74 में the third, the fourth, the fifth sum is cancelled from page number 74. Then go with page number 76. 76 में दो एग्जाम्पल है, सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल है, दैट इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4, दैट इज कैंसल्ड. पेज नंबर 77 इफ यू चेक दैट इज एक्सरसाइज 4.5. द फिफ्थ सम इज कैंसल्ड, द सिक्स्थ सम इज कैंसल्ड एंड देयर इज एन एक्टिविटी ओवर देयर, दैट एक्टिविटी इज कैंसल्ड. पेज नंबर 78 पे आ जाओ बच्चा लोग, तो पेज नंबर 78 पे द 9th sum is cancelled, the 10th sum is cancelled. So the 9th and the 10th sum is cancelled over there. With page number 78 में the 9th sum is cancelled. With 79 page पे the 11th sum, the 12th sum and the 13th sum is cancelled. Then you go with your next chapter. Go with chapter number 5, page number 85. If you go with your page number 85, the full page is cancelled. 85 पे. Then you go with your page number 91. You will find on page number 91 exercise 5.2 का half part है. So ऊपर में जो half part 5.2 का half part 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, तो 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th example is cancelled. Then below if you go with your problem set number 5, second solve the following simultaneous equation. The 5th and the 6th sum is cancelled. The 5th and the 6th sum if you check, you'll get over the 5th and the 6th sum is cancelled. Then the 4th में आ जाओ नीचे. नहीं 4th में कुछ कैंसिल नहीं है, खाली वो क्रॉस मार्किंग किया, बट दैट इज नॉट कैंसल्ड. तो ओनली द 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th एंड सेकेंड में द 5th and the 6th is cancelled. Now go with your page number 92. Page number 92 में all your examples are cancelled. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Everything is cancelled from page number 92. That's what your chapter number 5. Chapter number 6 पे आ जाओ. Chapter number 6 में if you check with your activity over there. If you check with your activity. So activity में first activity is cancelled, second activity is cancelled. So 98 में that is your activities are cancelled. Then we go with your page number 103. If you go page number 103, if you check there's an table 3, there's a box over there that table 3 is cancelled. The project एक है उधर एक project जो आपको करना था which is cancelled. Then go with your page number 106. If you go with your page number 106, there's an exercise 6.2. तो first में there are 5 examples. So उसमें का the fifth example. The fifth example is cancelled. Page number 7, if you go बच्चा लो तो page number 7 में sixth example is cancelled. Sorry, not the sixth. I'll just check one moment. If you check with page number 7, if you check with page number 7, the fifth example is cancelled. The sixth example is cancelled. The seventh example is cancelled, and the eighth example is cancelled. As well as if you see ICT tools or link, that is also cancelled. Again I repeat, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and that ICT tool is cancelled over there. Go with your page number 111. Page number 111 पे there's an activity. The activity is cancelled over there from page number 111. 112 में use your brain power, that is cancelled. Let discuss, that is also cancelled from page number 112. Then go directly with your page number 118. The sixth example is cancelled. With page number 119, the ninth example is cancelled and the 10th example is cancelled. And then with your next, go with your page number 122. The fourth example is cancelled. Then go with your page number 125. Oh yeah, many things are cancelled, many examples are cancelled. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. All are cancelled. Then go with your page number 128. You can see that is the last page. So your 7th sum is cancelled, 8th sum is cancelled, and that activity part is cancelled. So this is what your deleted portion is from your algebra, that is for the year 2020-2021. Now we'll discuss on geometry. Hope everybody has got a geometry textbooks with you. We'll do with your geometry ki geometry mein which part is deleted for this year 2021. You go with your page number. We'll start with your page number 5, the first chapter. Page number 5 if you check, there's exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 में main first question में the 6th, the 7th, the 8th. Second में the 5th, the 6th. Third में the 4th, the 5th and the 6th, and 5th sub question. 5th for the point x, y, z are collinear O. 6th and 7th is not cancelled, it is as it is. So this is what you have from page number 5. Then go with your page number 8. Page number 8 में 6th में the third one is cancelled. Then go with your page number 11. Page number 11 में if you check there's a problem set 1. Problem set 1 में second का the third and the fourth example is cancelled. Then with your third one again third का the fifth and the sixth is cancelled. Then go with page number 12. Page number 12 में the sixth one is cancelled and the 10th one is cancelled. So this is what is the cancellation from your chapter number 1 in geometry. Now go with your chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 में directly go with your page number 17. पेज नंबर 17 में बच्चे लोग अगर आप चेक करो विथ योर पेज नंबर 17 में द थर्ड एग्जांपल इज कैंसल्ड. देन गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 18. पेज नंबर 18 में द फिफ्थ एग्जांपल इज कैंसल्ड. देन गो विथ योर पेज नंबर 21. पेज नंबर 21 में the upper, if you see there is written corollary 1 and corollary 2, that corollary 1 and corollary 2 both parts are cancelled. Then go with your page number 25. If we check on page number 25, so use your brain power. That use your brain power. That you don't have to use your brain power. So then go with your page number 26. Page number 26 where you can see that example number 1. Both the methods. Example number 3. Page number 26 पे you can see example number 3. That is full page is cancelled. full 26 page is cancelled. Go with your page number 27. Example number 4, if you can observe, example number 4 is cancelled. Page number 28, the 9th example is cancelled. Then go with page number 33. Page number 33 you can see over there, that is isosceles triangle theorem and converse of isosceles triangle theorem. That is both are cancelled. Converse of isosceles theorem and isosceles theorem is cancelled. Page number 34, there is a corollary over there, and then you got to use your brain power. Both the parts are cancelled over there from page number 34. Then go directly with your page number 48. If you go with your page number 48, the full page is cancelled. Page number 48. Then go with your page number 5. That's all. That now we go with your next chapter, fourth chapter, construction, page number 53. If you go with your page number 53, your fourth example is cancelled. Then go with your page number 56. If you go with your page number 56, again over there, exercise 4.3 ka your third example is cancelled. That is from page number 56. Go with your next chapter, quadrilaterals, page number 59. The activity number 1 is cancelled from page number 59. Go with page number 62. If you go with your page number 62, exercise 5.1 ka 7th example is cancelled. Go with your page number, after that 67. 67, if you check with your page number 67, there is an exercise 5.2. So exercise 5.2, the third and the fifth example is cancelled. The third and the fifth from page number 67. Go with your page number 68. Page number 68, if you can check, write the proof of the following statement, that full part is cancelled. Then you go with your page number 75. If you check with your page number 75, full page is cancelled. Full page 75 is cancelled. Go with your page number 79. If you check with your page number 79, exercise 6.1 is there. In exercise 6.1, the sixth example is cancelled. That was with your page number 79. Now go with your page number 81. Page number 81 may see there is a theorem over there. The chords of a triangle, the chords of a circle equidistant from the center of a circle are congruent. That a theorem is cancelled. That is page number 81. Go with your page number 82. You can see exercise 6.2. The third example is cancelled from exercise 6.2, page number 82. Then go with page number 87. 87 may if the second example is cancelled. Go with page number 92. Page number 92 में that activity is cancelled. Then go with your page number 94. 94 में let's discuss, that part is cancelled. The same with page number 95. Let's discuss, that is cancelled. Here with page number 95 over, then go with page number 106. If you check with your page number 106, it's written for more information. That for more information, that is to be deleted. Then go with your page number 112. Page number 112, if you check, there's an exercise 8.2. 8.2 mein bacha, there's a table over there. The fifth column, the eighth column, the ninth column and 10th column, that is deleted from page number 112. If you go with your page number 119, if you check with your page number 119, the 7th sum, the 8th sum and the 9th sum is deleted. Page number 20 mein, there's a box over there, an activity box, which is deleted. And then the last page, page number 123 with your problem set number 9, that is sum number 8 and sum number 9 is deleted. So this is your deleted syllabus for the year 2020-21, which won't be asked for your school exam. So hope everybody understood. If you are not understood, you can go again with the video, check with your page number, and the page numbers are there in the display. So all the best for your 9th standard. Bye bye, tata, take care.